Good morning everyone, welcome to Payment Team Rise, and my name is Savdy. So today we're going to learn lesson 28 about Jesus teaching part 1. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is include. Include. Include, spell I-N-C-L-U-D-E. Include. For example, does the bride include the tag? Does the bride include the tag? Second word is beat up. Beat up. Beat up spell B-E-A-T-U-P. Beat up. For example, do not beat up your friends. Do not beat up your friends. The third word is pass by. Pass by. Pass by spell P-A-S-S-B-Y. Pass by. For example, I pass by the farm every day on my way to work. I pass by the farm every day on my way to work. The fourth word is bind. Bind. Bind spell B-I-N-D. Bind. For example, bind the prisoner arms together. Bind the prisoner arms together. The last word is pour. Pour. Pour spell P-O-O-R. For example, he was poor and could not buy it. He was poor and could not buy it. Okay, before we end the video for today, please repeat after me. Include. Include. Beat up. Beat up. Pass by. Pass by. Bind. Bind. Pour. Pour. Okay, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you liked this video. Please try to remember and also make the sentences and leave it in the comment. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up, and if it is not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.